Thank you for coming to the Rebar Detailing event in Denmark. This event was an opportunity for knowledge sharing and discussions about best practices for 3D rebar detailing, and how that can support more efficient project execution with higher quality and lower cost for everyone if we work together in smart ways. We hope you all enjoyed the factory tour. Thank you, Lemvigh-Müller team. I also hope you are inspired by the presentations from CN3, NCC, Trimble, and our own BuildingPoint team. Thank you to the presenters and everyone that made this event happen. Reach out if you have any questions or comments.